Hey, welcome back to Crack's Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today I'm going to show you what to do with those Thanksgiving leftovers. Leftover Thanksgiving pot pie. Alright, it's the weekend after Thanksgiving. You got all these leftovers. Hopefully the relatives are all gone. The last thing you want to do is cook, but you got all these leftovers. So this is pretty simple. You're going to throw all your leftovers in a baking dish. Then you're going to roll out a pre-made pie dough. Cut it to fit your pan, pre-bake that with an egg wash, cook all your stuff, then you're all set. Easy. Takes 40 minutes, gets rid of all your leftovers, and it's delicious. First thing you're going to need is some of this pre-made pie dough. First thing you're going to do is take some refrigerated pie dough and carefully unroll it. Don't want it to tear. Obviously, you want a pie dough that will fit the container you have. So this is the one I'm using. Set that on top like that. Take a paring knife. And just trace the edge. Set that off to the side. Off to the side. Now you can just kind of straighten it out. So now in the center, you're going to need to vent it. So now we can place this in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes. We got to give it an egg wash. So pre-baking this before you put it over the leftover pot pie will keep it from falling in and getting coated in all the gravy. Just a better way to do it. While the top crust of our pot pie is cooking, we're going to put stuffing, the leftover mashed potatoes, shred some of our turkey that we have left over. If you have any vegetables left over, throw that in. If you don't, really the only things you have to buy is that pie crust and then a bag of frozen vegetables. Pour the frozen vegetables in, and then your gravy. If you have any gravy left over, use that. If not, it's the only time I'll say buy the canned stuff, but I'd rather you not. If you do have some left over, you're probably going to have to heat it up a little bit in the microwave so it pours out of the container. Place this on the bottom rack of your 400-degree oven while the top crust bakes. After 8 to 10 minutes, we can pull the crust out, transfer that to a wire rack to let cool down while we finish the leftover pot pie. So after 15 minutes of baking, that's what we got. Now we can take our crust, place that back on top. Now we'll place this back in the oven for 10 to 15 more minutes. Ooh. Well, now this is done, we gotta let it cool so we can actually enjoy it. Now we gotta plate it and try some. Sounds good. Oh, listen to that. Oh God, that's gonna be so good. Look at that. I mean, look at that. Now we get to try it. That looks good. Yeah. 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 Oh boy, this is good. This is dangerous. It's very hot though. One more. All right, that's it. Simple, short video. It's perfect for leftovers. Easy, fast. You got a ton of stuff to do with the holidays coming up. Thanksgiving just passed. No point in throwing out all the leftovers. Just make another meal out of it. It's easy, cheap. All right, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We've got more videos coming out every week. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Threads, of course YouTube. You can go to crackscountrycooking.com. We got recipes, rubs, seasonings, all sorts of stuff on there. All right, see ya. Dinner time.